Okay, what is good? 10 minutes until 8 minutes until the open. Just share this with the Discord and let's roll. Okay. So the DAX is trying to go somewhere. I still have a few minutes until the open. I thought about being a buyer over here, but yeah, sometimes you just gotta say no, you know. So I didn't took that position. I would be at break even by now, but that's okay. Let me check the sound. Asia moved with better funds to the upside. That's a fact. Check the sound. Is it good? Checking the sound. Checking the sound. The quality. It's shit, right? It's shit. Sound quality's not that good, but I guess we'll have to live with it, right? So 5 more minutes until the open. Dags had a decent amount of volume coming in right here. So let's see. I'm not recording my PNL or anything. Um, I guess I won't be clipping today, but just because I need to free up some disk space, like get it out of my PC. It's because it's taking like the videos that are 2 hours, 3 hours. They just take up so much space when you have hundreds of them, right? So I need to clear out those, put it somewhere in a hard drive, right? So yeah, 4 more minutes. We'll see the first setup. Now we'll be looking to today would be on a footsie. And we'll see what's gonna happen. It would be interesting right after the open to maybe buy the DAX here. Somewhere around here. But of course, that could be a little bit too tight and they just can make a move all the way up to here, right? Well, we'll see. We'll see how we're gonna play it. Because it is tempting to be a DAX buyer. Okay, so 2 more minutes. Dax is moving. Dax is moving, so maybe it should have bitten these longs because they're trying to move. Let's see how they're gonna react to the daily open. We'll see about that. Okay, so Dax did move. Shit. I could try with a lot smaller position size to catch the Dax around here. But the footsie thing should be the one I should be looking at. Let me not do anything as of right now. And that would have been a decent buy on a Dax right here. Hmm. Hmm. So they did get the rejection off of the daily open. Are they just gonna rip it down, or is it time to buy? Or is it just time to buy? Stand buying the DAX. I might want to be a buyer. Of course they could. Feels like they slowed down a little bit. I'm buying DAX here. Oh fuck. I mean smaller position size. Let me have that stop loss in 22968. A small stop loss, right? If they're gonna just rip it. Okay. I guess they're just gonna rip it, right? Let's see if we can see a bounce. Small loss. Gave them the chance. That's okay. Gonna come back to my usual position size. I'm buying DAX here. Again here. I'm buying below the bar. This is a good zone to be a buyer off of a DAX. We'll see if it's gonna work out. Let me have a little bit bigger stop loss. Let's see, do I want to add to this? I would like to see a bigger bounce as of right now. That's not the best fill I've got, but stop loss would be like 70 points. So 900. So right here is my stop loss. So that's obviously a decent position size, right? Like decent risk, 70 points. Wanted to be a buyer at that red line I have. As you can see, price just went there. I would be surprised if they just ripped it. I mean, would I? Would I be surprised if they just went down? Just fucking ripped it. Yeah. I wouldn't be that surprised, I guess. Let's see what's up. Now I'm thinking about adding to this position. But like one contract. I'm adding one contract. Let's see. I'm gonna treat it as separate position. Might want to be a footsie buyer around here. And that's the DAX. Oh, footie's about to trigger a long. Oh, I'm in long. I'm in longs. Fuck. Let me give it. Let me give it some. Let me give it a stop loss. Let me give it a stop loss. So we add it to our DAX. But we needed to push, obviously. We bought the footsie. Maybe I should move that stop loss to break even on the add-on up of the DAX. Or maybe on a first position also. Yeah, stop loss break even. Now we're just gonna DAX. Let's see. I'm closing DAX here. I'm gonna close half of my FTSE, just decreasing the risk right here. So we made money already, right? Just decrease my risk on a FTSE. Could have waited. Could have waited a little bit longer on the DAX, but I'm gonna have that stop loss at break even. If I get stopped out, that's okay. Oh well. Let's see if they can if they can push it. DAX, god damn it. Nice move. Nice move. Yeah, stopped out of the FTSE. So look at that line of draw before the open, right? Look at them respecting it. That was the low of the 15-minute. That was the low of the 15-minute. That's what I bought. That's what I bought. So DAX is in the range as of right now. They had a decent candle. Are they gonna shift out? Is the DAX shifting out? Or is it another chance to buy it? So around here would be interesting to buy DAX again. I'm gonna test this daily. I'm gonna buy DAX here again. 229.50. This is the stop loss, risking a few bucks. Just want to test it out. If they can bounce back from here, which doesn't look like it. We'll see. This is not a bad trade. I took it in half size. It just didn't play out. It just didn't play out. Now I'm thinking we should be looking for shorts. Of course, not right here. But we should be looking for shorts. That's the first 15 minutes. Are they just gonna rip it through these lows? Do I want to go short now? I should wait for a bounce. Fuck it, I'm gonna give them one more chance. That's $10. Let's see. Is this fuckery and trickery? I'm gonna have that stop loss ever given instantly. And let's see. Is this a free position or not? Because this is a low end of the range, right? We have no risk now, so let's see if they're gonna bounce. We didn't exactly work the lows. This could be just fake out an opportunity to go short. We're in longs, no risk. Let me at least try to make back what I lost. Took it in half size. So I could recover my last trade right here. Am I going to do that? Am I going to do that? Let's see. Let's see if they're gonna move. Because the target would be the high of the range. So either way, this is in good position. It makes sense. Let's see if they have enough power to make a move. Like I have no risk, right? So I should just like, they're gonna go down, right? He's going down. I could have taken profit, right? But seeing their behavior around this level, I want to hold it. I want to hold it and see if they can make a move, right? But it suggests to go short, and it would make sense to go short on the DAX right now. But just the fact that I have this position for free, and doesn't make sense to go short. But yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out now for a break even. But the shorts are tempting. Now the shorts are tempting. Are we gonna see a breakout? Maybe I should just wait it out. Makes sense to go short. It makes sense. Footsie's going down. Footsie's going down. It would suggest DAX short. But we are at the lows. We're at the lows. I'm not shorting because of the range. Because we tested the low end of the range and target would be the top. And me going short here, I would be betting on a breakout. And I would enter with half of the position size. Is it a double bottom? Or is it time to short? I'm shorting it. Let's see. Oh, sorry. There's gonna be a real tight stop loss right here. I'm not gonna let it get against me a lot. Like 22960. I'm not gonna take these positions anymore. Like if they're gonna go up, fuck it. I will wait for my setup. That's a tight stop loss, really tight stop loss. We are in the bottom end of the range. I'm not gonna have that stop loss anywhere higher. It's just did they got enough liquidity over here to move? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's wait for the setup. I mean, daily open is on the lines to get tested. Daily open is right here. Yeah, look at that. This would be a short on the DAX again. That would be in the middle of the range. Could even consider going long over here, stop loss right here, and just try to ride it all the way to the daily open. Yeah, look at that. They're just moving. Didn't took it. Didn't took it. Yeah, look at that. DAX is going there. DAX really is going there. FTSE looks like a short. DAX went to the target. Oh, fuck it, I'm gonna short it. And really tight stop loss. Let's see if they're gonna give me something. I mean, that's not good. If they're gonna go up, right? 23013. I'll move that stop loss to break even as soon as possible. But I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I would need to have a tighter stop loss on this one. Let's see if they're gonna move. Yeah, stop loss to break even in a few seconds. Let's see them going. Yep, stop loss to break even. Let's see. Let's see. They could wick here and just go up. That's why stop loss is at break even. We don't need that risk. And if they are going down, they're just gonna go down. So let's see. If they are going down, let them go down. Then they are just probably wicking here and coming back up. and I don't need to have that risk anymore. Let's see, still valid for shorts over here. It would make sense. DAX just hit the daily open, that's why I went short. But they just could continue going up like that, you know? We had no risk. Just 3 positions. Taking those. We take those. They did wick over here, that was a buy. But we went short over here. We thought that we were gonna get a bigger move to the downside because this is a range, right? And yeah, we didn't buy it here. We didn't buy it here. I don't know, maybe we pushed it out. I just didn't want to be a buyer over here. Well, I was a buyer over here, and then I got stopped out, and I didn't want to re-enter. Then I took short around here, got stopped out. It's minimal risk. Went short over here, stopped out, break even. Before that, we went long over here, added to the position, closed it over here, made a decent amount of profit. We're up on the session. And yeah, let's see. FTSE is. Look, I mean, I want to short the FTSE actually. I really do want to short the FTSE. But the bounce was decent. They could continue going up higher, of course. So 5 more minutes until our strategy's in play with the DAX. And that would suggest to go short above the 15-minute candle. But I want to go long actually, but strategy would suggest to go short. I would like to go long because of how strong it is. Let's wait for the close on a DAX. Because if they do close this strong, I might want to be a buyer. But he looks good for shorts. Looks good for shorts. He looks good for shorts. Let's see. Am I gonna try this FTSE? I guess not. I'm not gonna go long on the FTSE. Oh, go short on the FTSE. They just did that. Okay, and the DAX. I think they're just gonna wibble and dabble a little bit in this zone after three minutes. And it looks strong. It looks really fucking strong. That's why I wanna be a buyer off it. Off the DAX. But we are still in the range, so when you look at it from a 15-minute perspective, we are in the range, so that would suggest a short. But the fact is that they are looking really strong. And the fact is they look really strong here. I'm getting back to my normal position size. Doing like I'm copying this account to my normal account, but basically 2 contracts or 20 contracts is my usual position size. So I guess we will go short on a DAX above this high. Hmm. Now I do like this FTSE. I mean, not the way that like it looks interesting for longs actually on 1 minute. The setup is not the nicest. They could just rip it down. I mean, I guess I should take the risk on a FTSE. I'm going short here. I'm in FTSE shorts. That's a risky position. That's a risky position, but I guess we're gonna take that risk. That could have been a buy also on a FTSE right here. I'm gonna have that stop loss around here. Risking not that much. Let's see if we're gonna see a follow through. Let's see if the FTSE can do it. That would make sense to be a buy right here on the FTSE. That would make sense actually. So it would make sense, a lot of sense to be a buyer of the FTSE right here. I'm gonna move that stop loss maybe. And that makes a lot of sense to be a buyer right here. And I'm in shorts, so I want to close it now. I want to close these shorts because look, nah, FTSE's not looking good. It's not looking good. I'm closing it. Fuck. Missed an opportunity on a FTSE to be a buyer. Lost a little bit on it. Like right here, I went short, but I wanted to. But I should have been a buyer here. I went short when I should have been a buyer. But that's okay, small loss. Small loss. Today seems like a difficult day, but I think I'm gonna be a buyer of the DAX. Like, do I believe they're gonna go to the top of this range? I'm buying it. Let's see. I'm gonna have a really tight stop loss. 23023, basically the low of this 1 minute bar, which is meaningless stop loss in a way. I'm just gonna take a hit probably because it's just a little bit of a FOMO play. Yeah, I'm not really tight stop loss. Um, I'm looking for entries to longs. I could have had a bigger stop loss, of course I could have, but yeah, I'm gonna do that again. Uh, do I do I regret it? Where do I put my stop loss? I think similar place, like tight one, and we want to see a move. Then add to the position to 3017. As soon as possible, move it to break even. I could even have it right here. Fuck. Come on, Dax. They're struggling here. I don't like that. I don't like that. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. I don't want to give back my profits that I made. I really don't want to give back those profits that I made. But I guess I'll have to. Fuck. Yeah, I'm giving out those profits that I made. Look at that shit. That's nasty. Fuck off. I'm gonna buy it again here. Now that's shit. Whatever I'm doing here, I'm not giving it enough room to breathe. Not trusting the move. Uh, but I do believe they could go up here. We need to see a lot more. Let's see. And we're gonna catch a decent move. I should have that stop loss to break even now. We have an add-on. We added to this position as of right now. Let's see if they're gonna do it. Or we should have just went short there. We should have just went short there, no? Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna see that breakout. That stop loss is at break even. Do I wanna move it lower? Do I wanna give a little bit more breathing room? Do I wanna give a little bit more of a breathing room? Shit, that's a tough one. Today is a tough one. I think I should have the stop loss to break even on the first position. And then manage this one. That was a shit fill. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Come on, Dax. Come on, Dax. They can obviously go up. Dax is looking interesting. Dax is looking interesting. We added to this position, right? So let's see. Of course, we would love to see a move and a breakout, like all the way. all the way away from this range, right? Come on, Dax. Make that breakout. Make that fucking breakout. Make that fucking breakout. Come on, Dax. But it is fucking struggling, isn't it? It is fucking struggling. Look at this range. Do we have enough to make a move? We just wick this. Shit. Maybe I should have that stop loss. Maybe I should just have that stop loss. I break even. Right here. That's a tough one. That's a tough one. Do I want to have that break even stop loss on a DAX? Come on. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Come on, DAX. Shit. Come on, DAX. Come on, DAX. Nah, fuck. We should have taken the profit, right? Ah, shit. Ah, we should have fucking. Should have taken the profit. I mean, but they didn't hit any serious zones. Do we want to give them a little bit more breathing room? I don't really want to do that. Come on, Dax. Come on. Come on, Dax. Do I want to add to it again? Come on, Dax. Give me that decent move. Come on, Dax. I could close the add-on and have that stop loss right there and just try to ride it. Let's see if they're gonna move right now. I really want to see Dax break out. I really want to see a Dax break out. I really want to see this fucking Dax break out. Come on, Dax. I might just take profit if they're not doing it. I might just fucking take profit. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dax. We'll probably take it out at yesterday's daily high. So I want to see another move on a DAX. Come on. Come on, DAX. Fuck. Nah, they're not doing it. Shit. Come on. Come on, DAX. Think I should get out. I think I should have gotten out. Fuck. They're not doing it, are they? Come on, Dax. They're working these lows though. That's intense. Fuck, I forgot how intense it is to do live streams. I forgot how difficult it is to live stream and trade. Like when you're trading solo, that's just you just love it when you trade solo. Like, you can do whatever, right? And whenever you're live, you kind of lovely, lovely decks. I might want to cut in half my position just to lock in some profit on both of them. Just to lock in some profit. And let's see. This might be the breakout I was hoping for. We decreased, like we locked in some profit, right? We locked in a little bit. So I think this is my last trade of the session. And let's see if it's gonna happen. We made money today. So let's see if the DAX can do it. Now just the bonuses. Oh shit. They hit the daily open. That rejection was off of yesterday's daily high. I'm sorry. Yesterday's daily high hit, rejection, coming back down. And that would be probably suggest to me that I should have been out. And I'm not. Because I'm thinking about live stream, I'm thinking about other stuff. And that's not good. Well, that's my own problem, right? I have to work on it. I could close the add-on actually and just try to ride it with the other position or have it at break even. Let me have a break even on an add-on and let's try to ride this one. Let's try to ride this one and stop loss at break even on the add-on. We locked in a little bit. I don't like that rejection, obviously. Most likely we're gonna get stopped down out of this one too, but let's see if this is a trend. If this is a breakout, we should be good. Should be good. Yesterday's daily high, that was my target, and we just didn't took profit right there. We closed half. We made some money, but not good enough. Not at all. I still do see them pushing higher, but the question is, are they gonna stop me out? Right? I still do see them going up, but they could go down as low as here and then go up, which is really doable, which would make sense, a lot of sense for them to do. Oh yeah, they can easily do that. Just come back to this and then just push up. But let's wait. Let's wait it out. Let's see what the DAX is gonna do. And that's okay bounce. I'm just gonna try to ride it up. Ride it up. Now the question is basically, are they still in the range, or we're gonna see a breakout? So basically, I'm betting on a breakout by not taking profit. The half, but the half should have been taken at the yesterday's daily high, which was in a way tested and got a rejection. And there's still a chance they could go down, obviously. Is it time for me to say goodbye and close it? That's the question I'm having. Is it time for me to close it? They're struggling all 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Like they don't have time to make a move on a 15 minute. This one could last like a little bit longer until they make a move or stop us out. Do I want to sit here and wait? It feels like they're gonna go down now. Yeah, they did went down, and I think we're gonna get stopped down. We'll see. Well, whatever. We made a little bit of money. Nothing crazy. Now just contemplating, do I want to add to this? Do I want to just leave it? Should I take it out? Like, there are a lot of options. We are in the range, obviously. And those shorts I was talking about, they did not play out. So if we went short over here at this high, that would have not played out. And my concern is with this long that we're gonna go down to here and then make a bounce, right? So that's my concern. Let's see. Oh shit, that's not a good close. You see, if we had that add-on in this position, both of them, we would have been stopped out by now. So first correct thing we did was have an add-on to break even and letting this one ride. So as of right now, that was the right option. That was correct position management, because we had add-on over here. Even higher, I think, over here. We had an add-on, and our middle ground would be around here, and we would have been stopped out. Right now, they're struggling to get up. They're waking the highs, and I think we're gonna see a move to the downside. Yeah, but that was a decent buy over here when you look at it from this perspective on a 5 minute. That was a decent buy, but then we're gonna see a follow through. Do I want to add to this? Do I want to add to this position? Ah, fuck, that's too late. Now that would be just a bad fill, and I don't want to have that fill. They're not doing the behavior that you would want to see. And it looks like they're rounding up. Feels like they're rounding up and going down, right? That's what it feels like. But we might be wrong. But most likely this is a range and they're gonna go down and we're gonna get stopped out. Most likely, right? Most likely. That's like 40, 60, 40% that this position is gonna run, and 60% that we're gonna get stopped out, maybe even higher. But yeah, like 70-30, I would say. 70% that we're gonna get stopped out, and 30% that we're gonna get a decent runner. But yeah, 70% chances that we're gonna get stopped out. 30% is that we're gonna see a runner. Hmm. Are they done with these lows? Are they done? I guess not. I guess this is this allow because I would be looking to add, but it's just I'm not a fan of it. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait. Let's wait it out. Ten more seconds until this 1 minute closes. I think. Like, it's hard to tell. Tough session actually. We made money, but we could have made a lot more. We had a lot of like small losses, right? A lot of small losses, which added up, obviously. Which added up. Let's wait and see because I'm looking for the zone, and the zone would be interesting place to be a buyer off of, or even below here. Somewhere around here would be an interesting zone to be a buyer off of DAX. Around this area. This is where I want to be a buyer. Even here, small position. I can take it. Can take it, but let's wait it out a little bit. Let's wait it out because they could be just reversing. But come on, take out that low, or is it? Is that it? Fuck, I'm buying it. That was just such a shit fill. Don't take this position with this fill. Don't take this position with this fill. Just don't do it. That's really fucking bad. That's really fucking bad fill. I'll just stop myself out. I'll just stop myself out. We're having a break even right now. I should just stop myself out of this one. That was just shit fill. The second of bot price move, and I'm gonna stop myself out of this one. And that was the zone. I wanted to buy it here, but whatever. Shit. Fuck. Fucking hell. I just didn't want it to be in this position buying it right there. Like the stop loss just would should have been here, and I just didn't want to take that risk. Of course, if this is a momentum move, happy days. But the fill was shit. The fill was really fucking shit. I just can't take those. 5 minute looks good. Like that's what we wanted. That's exactly what I wanted to enter. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. You remember those 15 minutes I was talking about this level and them bouncing from here? That's exactly what I wanted to do. And look at it now. 30 points higher. Without a fucking shitty fill over here, I had to stop myself out. Still a good day, but not as good as I wanted it to be. Oh well. let's wait out a little bit. Are we gonna take any more positions? Because this was the one I wanted to take. And right now we should wait for something obvious to happen. And yeah, let's wait it out a little bit longer. This would be an interesting buy, unless they're gonna go and test these lows. If this is a momentum play, I should be a buyer right here. This is a momentum play. Then we're gonna see a wick probably around this zone. Or I just gonna, oh wow. I'm taking that risk against Shitty Phil. Look at me losing. Ain't that juicy? I have to close it now. I'm gonna close it. Look at me. I'm buying it again here, and that's it for me. I'm not gonna do anything else. And I'm wrong, and I'm done. I'm risking basically today's profits. No more, I guess. Stop loss should be to break even now. I really don't want to put it at break even. Why though? I should. Yeah, I'm putting it at break even. Um, and that's it. That's my last position. That was really shit. Whatever I did there. Now I just have to make everything back and more. Fucking hell, live streams are tough. Live streams are tough. Like, I forgot about that. Maybe I should have went a little bit easier with them. Because, shit, that's hard. That's hard to trade into a live stream. I forgot about that. Well, the DAX should be moving, right? But, fuck, I forgot to check the news. Are we good? At 1 a.m., DAX has a report. Now look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Can't complain. It can always get worse. And my strategy suggested to go long over here, right? And today should have been a break-even day actually, because we didn't had enough, and we should have been stopped out over here. We made money today with these shitty scalps, really shitty scalps, and that's not how consistency looks, right? Consistency looks when you take the positions and take the strategy and nothing else, right? Like, yeah, you could scalp, but scalping is something you should do rarely, right? You should just stick to your edge and trade nothing but the edge if you wanna if you want real consistency, or minimize your. I'm talking from my perspective. I should minimize the positions that I'm taking, right? Because those small losses that I have, they add up, but their risk reward is like 1 to 10, right? The positions in the scalps I take are like 1 to 10, and most of the time they get stopped out break even or small loss. Um, but that's kind of my way of trading, which should be improved. I should choose my scalps a little bit more carefully, because those small losses, they add up. But Well, it depends. Sometimes I'm outperforming my strategy with scalps, and sometimes I'm not, right? Like, I'm trying to figure out should I just stick to my strategies on a live stream and so on, because scalping on my own is I'm pretty good with that, but on live streams is with live streams is a little bit different, right? It's a little bit different when you're live, when it's recorded, when it's on a track record. That's a little bit different, a little bit more pressure. But good day today. We had a lot of shit positions, I'm not gonna lie. We made money. We should have taken out everything right there, probably. But now it looks obvious, right? When we were in those longs. But let's see. Now we're gonna give it one more chance. Are we gonna give it one more chance? Like today is probably around break even, to be honest. I'll have another position in around an hour. I'll have another setup now that these buys are. I'm too late in these buys. I'm too late. But the footsie shorts do look interesting. Can we really see a footsie move down from here, or was it over? Was it it? Was it it? Was it a trap and then they're gonna move up? Like pretty soon I'll end the live stream because we've been here for more than an hour, and the pressure of making money today, like decent amount of money today, is kicking in, which is not good. We missed this opportunity to go long here. Yeah. Unless I believe it's going down, which I'm not. I'm not really. I don't really want to go short. Maybe footsie shorts looking like footsie shorts do look interesting. With a real tight stop loss, it could work out, but I want to see them making a move because this is obviously double top information, whatever you want to call it, but they're bouncing around that level. So it's, if I'm going short on the footsie right here, I'm going short on the footsie right here. That's the momentum I wanted. That's the momentum I wanted on a footsie as an excuse to go short. And if they bounce, this is just the range then. 8642. Fuck, they wicked it. No way, they wicked it. Oh, that's the stop loss right there. Ah, fuck, that's nasty. I should get out now. That's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted. That's absolutely not what I wanted to see. 8 seconds until 1 minute close. Let's see. 4 seconds. I'm always aware of time. When you're trading, you have to be aware of time when you're trading. Because I could have closed it prematurely, right? But I looked at time. We had some few seconds until the close, and I wanted to see the close. Well, it still looks like they could be wicking. Let's see. Let's see. DAX moved a little bit from that zone. I really need to see FTSE making a move too. We do have a zone right here that they might want to go down to. Are they gonna do it? That's the question I'm having. Are they gonna do it? Because this is a momentum play, obviously, right? On a 15 minute, you could have been a buyer right here on a 15 minute, right? Well, the momentum on a footsie was there, and double top and everything, right? So do I want to move it to break even and just get stopped out because this is a momentum play and they could bounce from around this zone? Yeah, fuck it. I'm going break even on this one. If this is a momentum play, they're gonna rip it. If not, oh well. We had a free position in the way. We have free position right now. Of course, if DAX is going down, FTSE will follow, and that's the momentum play. So it would have come in around my target, which would be around here. This would have been my target on the FTSE. And look at that. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. So I guess they're not done with these lows, are they? So shortly here on a DAX would have worked out if you had at least 30 points stop loss, right? Let's see if the FTSE is gonna continue. Like I don't really need to take it out because we're around break even, a little bit in a profit today. And this is a free position, so let's see if they're gonna run. I could add to this position, but I don't like adding to the FTSE. It's because they like to retrace a lot. They really do love to retrace. And we're around 10 points in profit on a FTSE. That's my target. And I could be closing it right now because that's my target, right? And 10 points in profit. We risk like 5. A little bit less than 5. What would suggest to me that this is a runner? That I should be holding this one? Why should I be holding this one? Why should I be holding it? That's a decent support area right here. Do I believe FTSE's gonna go down? Do I believe the FTSE's going down? Finger on the trigger, I'm closing it. Plus 10 points, basically at the target. Gave them a little bit more time. Could have waited, could have left it. We made money today, right? Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. One last look on a DAX. Shit, I could have fucking let that FTSE run, but like at least at these lows, right? At least at these lows. We hit the target, I closed it. But I'm not happy, right? I'm not happy with my performance today. I'm not happy with my performance today at all. Yeah, I guess that's it for me. I'll have another setup in 40 minutes. A lot of bad positions, a lot of small and bad positions, right? So, and the short right here on a 15-minute could have worked out. Could have. Oh wait, DAX. No, no, it's not. Where is it? It's at the interesting zone actually. DAX is at interesting zone. I might want to take it with one contract to fuck it last position. Let's see if this is gonna go up. I'm buying DAX here. Um, like stop loss at these lows, and let's see. Ah shit, that's not what I want to see. That's not what I want to see. I'll move it to break even instantly, but I need to see a little bit bigger push. I need to see a little bit bigger push from you, DAX. I need to see you going. Yes, sir. Oh, I took it with half size. I took it with half size. That's 1 to 1 basically right now. Um, I'm having that stop loss at break even. You could have taken profit right here, obviously. I took it with half size. Let's see if they're gonna run. Like, yeah, the move is aggressive to the downside, so. And this is a free position. I have no risk. Let's see if they're gonna run. I bought because of the 15-minute, right? Right here. This was a vector right here, and I saw them around this zone and thought, okay, that's okay buy, and then they're bouncing on 1 minute. So let me take that risk and see what's gonna happen. So basically, I'm hoping for them to. Oh, that's volume coming in. I might want to add, but that's the risk on, right? And I was about to end the session and just took this position. Do I want to have risk on? No. Uh, I don't want to have that risk on. Let's see if they're gonna stop me out. Like, if they're coming back to this level, I don't want to lose on it, so I just might move the stop loss a little bit and buff, like just to have a little bit of a buffer in it, right? So I could stop loss right here, like 2 points of a buffer, so we don't lose on it. That's a little bit too much. Like, yeah, that's okay. Like 1 point, 1 point, 1 point is okay. And let's see if they're gonna run. As always, anything can happen, right? They might just go all the way up. Like, they should not be doing this right now. They should be going up. And this could be an add-on right now. Actually, this could be an add-on right now, right below this candle. Right below this candle could be an add-on. But I'm a little bit pussying out. So that's good that we took out the profit from the FTSE, right? Because this was kind of our target and the low. So that was a really clean FTSE trade. We caught all of this. Close it here. Decent, right? Really clean FTSE trade. And now the DAX. This is a little bit more tricky because this could be an add-on right now, and yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. Okay, wow, decent move to the downside. I'm just gonna stay here and scalp. I guess I shouldn't do that. I should end the live stream, but the price action is interesting. Like, they're moving, and whenever they're moving, it's interesting to trade. Like, the DAX is still at the low of the range, right? This is still a low of the range, and are they gonna get a follow through? Because there is volume coming in right now. There's a decent amount of volume coming in on the DAX. Could FOMO in and just fucking buy here. But I want to see them taking out this low and then buying it. That's what I want to see. And they did not do that. They did not take it out. They did not take out this low. And they're bouncing before that. So that would suggest a short, actually. Just the fact that they didn't take out the low and they're bouncing. So they're just going to get more liquidity to get, like, get more longs, basically. And maybe then make a move to the downside, make a breakout. Actually, we should have been short oh no, wait, the first, shit, let me see. Should have been short. No, we should not been short just yet. Short would come in around this place. But I think we should be a buyers right there. Am I gonna take that risk and go short on a DAX right now? I'm going short. Momentum play, let's see. We're gonna get just beaten. I don't like it no more. They wicked low. Coming back up, wicking the low. That's a sure way to get stopped out, right? I'm risking 18 points. That's and then they're gonna bounce. Do I want to stop myself out of this one? Like, we are at the low end of the range. What is stopping them to coming back up right here? Nothing. Absolutely nothing stopping them. This is just a momentum play. Hoping for a breakout. Seeing these decent red bars. I could have that stop loss right here. A really tight one. I'm thinking I should. I reckon I should have that stop loss right here. Like 7 points. Okay, now I want to have it right here. Like a few points. Not scalping. I said I shouldn't be doing that on live stream. Because if this is a momentum play, they're gonna go down, right? And if this is a range, they're gonna just do whatever they did before and come back up, right? No, this is momentum play, right? Let's see. Stop loss to break even. We have free position once again. They're coming back up. Just wick the low. Our strategy would suggest actually, yeah, I'm not gonna trade it. I'm not gonna add to this position either. I'm just gonna leave it as it is and hope for the best, basically. We're stopped out most likely. Yeah, look at that. They're gonna bounce right now. Do I want to go long? That's a good zone. That's a good zone to be a bar right here. That was should have been a lot. Should have been in longs. If this is over, they're moving up. This would be a short, but we're in the range. Oh, fuck it. I'm gonna have this short. And let's see what's gonna happen. Because if this is a low, they just should be shifting out, unless they're gonna wick it here and then come back up. But it does look like that they're ready to shift it out to the upside because of the low end of the range. We wicked it, and it would make sense for them to go back up like the FTSE did in a way. Something like that should be happening on the DAX. Then the question is, why do I have this short position? because I think if they're coming back down to this level, they're gonna go down. Just what I believe in, right? My, hmm. They could also like break out, risking 10 points on it, but the price action is a little bit sketchy. Maybe that stop loss should be around here, 25 points. Well, is it worth it? Is it worth it to have that stop loss right there? We triggered a short right there, like like we triggered a lot of shorts right there. The market makers, whatever you want to call them, and then they shut up, stop them out hopefully, and then gonna go down. Let's see. We are filled in our shorts. I should have that stop loss right there. Fuck it. We're risking like 10 points. Are we gonna see that breakout that I want to see? Are we gonna see that breakout? Because price action is pretty fucking nasty, right? They go up, they wick it, they go down, and so on. So stop loss, the safe stop loss would be around here. Safe option, right? 25 points above this 5-minute high. And we're betting on a breakout. But I'm not liking this price action. That's the problem. Like they're wicking the lows and then just coming back up, wicking the highs and then coming back down, and it's kind of a trend to the downside. Yeah, that's obvious. We have still 5 more minutes until the 15-minute candle closes. If we go below here, I'm gonna have that stop loss to break even, or even now, and just stop myself out and be done. I'm not putting that stop loss just yet to break even, and I'm putting that stop loss to break even right now. We took it with half size. Let's see if we're gonna see some miracles happen, some fireworks to the downside. Come on. Let's see, DAX. Come on. Because as I said, I don't like the price action. They're really wicky, and whenever they're wicky, they're just not done. Like with the liquidity and so on. They broke below this low and came back up. FTSE longs, maybe. FTSE longs look interesting. FTSE longs do look interesting. Fuck, that's a little bit too late. I'm late on that FTSE. I'm just dipping and dabbing. A lot of break-even positions. Not the nicest price action on DAX. Missed this FTSE long. Like, do I believe the FTSE is gonna go up from here? Do I believe that? And have that stop loss right there. It would make sense, actually. It would make sense. Ah, shit, I'm just tempted to buy that FTSE and I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I guess I have to get used to these live streams again, right? We made money today. Nothing crazy. Pussy now from this FTSE longs. Absolutely pussy now from these FTSE longs. I want it to be a buy right here. Would be like 5 points in profit, stop loss to break even, and we would be sitting good in this free position. DAX is quite nasty actually. Like it's quite nasty today. I'm not gonna lie, this price action is pretty fucking nasty. Like, so now it should have been a buy right there. That should have been a buy right there, not a short. At least we didn't lose on it, right? They're trying to break 5 minute low. That's a decent amount of volume coming in on a FTSE. Ooh, on a DAX. Of course, this is risky to buy it right here, but I feel like momentum could be here. Oh fuck! Now it's a little bit too late. I feel like I missed it. Right. I'm really missing out on this one. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, what's good? Sorry, I didn't saw the YouTube comments, man. What's good? What's good? You're short on a DAX? Yeah, it could play out. Could play out. 5 minute close. So interesting zone for buys would be over here. That would be an interesting zone to be a buyer off of the DAX. Look at that. Look at that 1 minute. Just ripping through it all. But the FTSE could give us an opportunity to be a buyer right here. They're still in the range, which is concerning, to say the least. Which is concerning. DAX had some volume coming in right here. I was about to press buy on a DAX. I'm buying DAX, fuck it. And let's have that stop loss really tight. I just bought the DAX. Stop loss 22956. Really, really tight stop loss. Right below this candle's low. Because if this is a momentum to the upside, they should follow through. Like 7 points. And I should stop trading. And I should be stopping right now. Could have that stop loss a little bit lower. But let's see. Does the DAX have that momentum? I want it to be a buyer around here, where my stop loss is basically, but that didn't happen. Now I could even move it up to here. Could move that stop loss up to here, actually. Like 4 points. We're risking like 4 points. And I do want to see the move. Is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen, DAX? Stop loss to break even. Is it a little bit too early to have that stop loss to break even? I mean, if this is a momentum play, I should be able to get away with it. With it being at break even, yeah, fuck it. Risk free position, 7 points in profit. Let's see. And moment of truth. I guess that's it. I guess that's it, right? Right, Dax? You're not making this move, are you? Guess you're not. Our stop loss is too tight. We're just trying to catch that momentum move, right? That's what I try to do with my scalps. Look the high. Do they have enough momentum? That's the question. Because this is obviously a decent resistance zone. Come on, Dax. That's nice. Do they have enough? I guess not. Look the high. Of course, I'm not taking the profit. I have my mind a little bit different, like thinking about live stream. Like probably should have taken the profit, right? That would be like 1 to 3 risk reward, or not even more. Like a risk, like I don't know, 7 points maximum, I guess. And we saw like I don't know 30 in a profit. Well, we'll see. We'll see if they're gonna do it. I'm not too confident in this position. I'm not adding to this position. Um, I'm just trying to ride it, trying to catch the early start of a trend. This could be an add-on right here. If I believed in this position, that we're gonna see a move to the upside, this could have been an add-on right there. If I believed in this position, which I'm not adding to. Let me copy that stop loss, and I might want to add actually. Fuck. No more. I guess no more adding. Let's see, fucking hell, they're respecting this range. They might want to go down actually. I'm not gonna take that risk. Let me try to ride this DAX. 15 minute. Got above that 15-minute high. Got rejected. Like basically we'll see what's gonna happen. Like I have no risk. Could have taken out the profit right above that high. And I was hoping for a breakout. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Stop loss is really tight. No risk. Made some money today. Let's see if the deck's gonna do it. And that's how I treat my scalps, basically. I'm trying to get that stop loss to break even as soon as possible, and then letting it ride. And that's my way of trading with the scalps. Do I trust this move? That's the question. Do I trust this one? Like, the target should be the high of the range. 15-minute is looking okay. Like, the 15-minute looks quite okay. Like, I could lock in. Like, there's a lot of options I could do. The question is, do I trust this pump, this move? Like, yeah, they could keep on going. Obviously, they could just keep on going, but a 5-minute, not a fan of the 5-minute actually. Not a fan of this 5-minute at all. They just went into resistance. They could just rip it down now. It's doable. It's logical. It makes sense for them to go down. Volume is not the greatest. They could. We'll see. I have no risk. When I see some decent amount of profit or decent zone hitting, like somewhere around here, I would I would probably take profit, right? Around here, maybe taking out half. Yeah, but I think this is my target on this position over here at 23.30. This would be my target. Yeah, basically this high, or even around here, 20. Like we'll see. And that makes sense for them to move over here. And this is actually my strategies bar. That's where that's the bar I should be trading. And I'm in longs. This is a decent setup if they have momentum. Hmm. They're working this candle, trying to recover it. But they should be bouncing. They should be bouncing actually. So 5 minute close was okay. It was quite decent. Quite a good close on a 5 minute. I would suggest that momentum could be keep like they could be pushing it higher. They're struggling, of course. The struggle is real. 25 points in profit. My target is around here. And in 3 minutes, I would be adding above this high. I would love to see a nice 15-minute close. I would just love to see the nice 15-minute close. They didn't hit the daily open. I think this is just a retrace. We're still due to move higher. The FTSE's struggling, so that's something to consider. Something to look at. The FTSE's trying to reject the top end of the range. 30 points in profit. Mm. 2 more minutes until 15-minute candle closes. And I would suggest they add on. And the target would be the same. So, hmm. Hmm. So around 40 points in profit on a DAX. Hmm. So this is the last minute. Let's see what's gonna happen. This is not the nicest 5 minute. If it were to close right here, but they could keep on pushing. They're just stalling over here, not doing anything. I could like just add to it like one contract and have stop loss at break even around here, which would be risky, of course. So 16, 15, 14 seconds left. I'm not a fan of this 5 minute. And it feels like they're stopping right here. Okay, do I want to buy here? I'm gonna have that order in to buy the DAX over here. And then move the stop loss to here on both of the positions. Ah, fuck. I guess not today. Well, actually, I should have that stop loss right here. I guess. Think so. And that would be risking 14. And let me keep this one right here. Yeah, fuck this shit. That's not looking good. That's not looking good. Come on, Dax. 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 And that's the daily open. That's being tested right here on a DAX. Do I want to move that stop loss to break even on the add-on? I guess so. 8 points in profit. Target is over here. We add it to this position. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Do I want to close it? Do I want to close it or wait for the target? Fuck. Come on. Come on, Dax. Come on, Dax. Come on, Dax. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dax. You can do it. Come on, Dax. Now this is becoming an extended move. They're trying to extend it. Yeah, that's nice. Fuck. Not fast enough. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I'm about to close. That's around my target. Come on. Come on. And I'm out. I'm happy. That's good enough. It's a good day. That's a good day. Yeah, we could have waited out. That was our target hit. And they're just gonna fucking rip it, right? They're just gonna fucking rip it. Good risk management. A lot of shit positions that we had, but decent and a good day. Good day, good day. Let's see how much we made. Let's see how much we made. Also look, that was maybe even a shortened place over here. Let's see how much we made today. Let's be done. Let's be done on EU session. $134. That's good. I would say that's around 134 DAX points. Good, good enough. That's me done. That's what I wanted. Okay, lovely. Look at them respecting this zone. Lovely. Okay, that's me done. Good, good session. We had a lot of like small scalps that didn't work out, and that one scalp that was a runner. We added to it. We took profit around here. Good enough, right? Okay, that's me done. Take care.